So what is up everyone? Welcome back to our family vlog episode. At dahil papatapos na nga ang summer, ay sinusulit na namin ang bawat weekend na maipasyal namin sila nanay at lolo. Pupuntahan natin ang sikat na tourist spot na ang pangalan ay Tobermory. Isa sa mga pupuntahan natin ay ang abandoned shipwreck, Flower Pot Island at ilang magagandang rock formation. Tara at sama-sama ng manilip, silipin ang magagandang pasyalan dito sa Tobermory.
Turn left, then your destination will be on the right.
At pagdating nga namin ay sumakay kami sa shuttle bus para dalhin kami sa cruise ship terminal.
Guys, we have one boat went down with engine trouble. That sail time is 10:35 euro rate.
Bago nga pala kayo magpunta ay kailangan nyo magpabook ng ticket. Tobermory cruise ticket price is depende raw sa operator. Meron silang tinatawag na drop-off rates and stay aboard rates. Drop-off ay pwede kayong bumaba sa island, mag-swimming at libutin ang buong island for almost 15 minutes. After na mabang pila ay ready to on board na.
This vessel there, 5 emergency exits, 1 off the bow, 2 at midship where you came on, and 2 off the stern.
Dito nga ay na-explain ng aming tour guide ang ilang safety tips bago mag-start ang aming trip.
Enjoy your ride.
At this time, nakakaramdam na ng hilo si Kuya Mar dahil first time daw niyang sumakay sa cruise ship.
Alright folks, welcome aboard the Tobermory Explorer and welcome to Big Tub Harbour. This is Canada's deepest natural freshwater harbour. Off your right hand side there, you'll spot the Big Tub Lighthouse. Now looking off your right hand side is the local Coast Guard Search and Rescue Station. The large red and white vessel, that is the Cape Eatonsaw, and it's a heavy weather search and rescue vessel stationed here in Tobermory. 2 shipwrecks. The first wreck is going to come right underneath of us, and the second wreck will be along the shoreline to your left. It is too shallow for us to go over top of, so you'll have to look at it from just a bit of a distance. The first shipwreck here is going to be called the Sweepstakes. The Sweepstakes is a double-masted wooden schooner built in Burlington, Ontario in 1867. It weighs 218 gross tons. It's 119 feet long, has an 8 to 20 foot depth. The Sweepstakes is a cargo vessel used to carry coal along the Great Lakes.
Hindi lang pagsakay sa cruise ship ang pwedeng gawing activity dito. Pwede rin mag-boating o kaya naman yung pagkakayak. Depende na lang din sa trip mo kung paano mo gustong ma-enjoy ang Tobermory experience mo dito. Sa amin, mas prepared namin sumakay sa cruise ship dahil may kasama kaming kids at mga seniors. Moving forward nga, ipupunta na tayo sa Flower Pot Island at ilang magagandang rock formation.
And up ahead of us now, you'll spot the Flower Pot Island Light Station. The original wooden lighthouse was built in 1896 and it stood 90 feet above the water on Castle Bluff, helping to guide ships as they travel from Georgian Bay to Lake Huron.
Stay aboard schedule lang yung nabook naming ticket. Kaya literal lang kami nakastay sa cruise ship habang pinapanood sila nanay na naliligo at nag-i-enjoy sa island. Heto yung ilang clip nila nanay at lolo habang sila ay nakasakay sa cruise ship. Dito nga ay halos manginig na ang tuhod ni lolo sa sobrang bilis ng takbo ng boat. Pagbaba nila ng boat ay na-experience din nilang mag-hiking para marating nila ang gilid ng island para mag-swimming. At dahil hindi nga kinaya ni nanay ang malamig na tubig, mas in-enjoy na lang niyang magpakain ng seagull kaysa mag-swimming. Bago nga kami umuwi ay dumaan muna kami dito sa Sobol Falls na ang sabi ng ilan ay sobrang ganda raw dito kaya hindi naman namin pinalagpas ang pagkakataon para makita ito. Kaso nga lang hindi namin expect na ganitong falls pala yung aabutan namin. Kaya naman naglakad-lakad na lang muna kami para mapuntahan namin ng ilang mga pasyalan dito.
Libre kaya yan?
Hanggang sa marating namin tong river na to na pwede kang magkayak at magboating. Kaso wala nga sumubok dahil baka nga mabasa at siguro pagod na rin. Kaya naman sinulit na lang namin ang magandang lugar para magpa-picture ng magkakasama. Dito ko na rin pala tatapusin ang aming family vlog, Tobermory Experience. Kita-kita po tayo sa mga susunod pa naming adventure.